Hello students. Students for class 9th, I am trying my best to send you videos into such a manner that the chapter becomes quite clear to you. I hope that my students are getting benefit of it. And if you have any kind of problem into it, kindly let me know so that I can make the changes accordingly. Now, children, I was explaining the chapter to you, a trump of surgery, and we have reached into the chapter to the level where the dog Tricky has been kept by the doctor, Mr. Harriot, into his surgery, into his cleaning for the treatment. Mrs. Pemfrey, the owner of the dog, the master of the dog, was mistress, I must say. She was every time trying to connect with Mr. Harriot to know about the well-being of the Tricky. Now, the moment Mr. Harriot told her that Tricky is improving, he's fine. So she started sending some extra food for him, as she was giving him earlier. By that affection, by that love, she started sending tray of eggs, bottle of wines, so that this would going to help Tricky to regain the energy. As whenever there is a patient around us and we go to meet him, we take juices, fruits, more of this kind of food is given to him. In the same manner, she was also sending these things which could help as supplement, as energy food for the dog, Tricky. And you know what Mr. Harriot said? Do you think that Mr. Harriot was giving this food to Tricky? No, not at all. He was giving him the usual food because he knew it that Tricky does not need anything in surplus. In fact, he need to come to such a system where he is given less food and which he is given with very simple and normal food, right? So Mr. Harriot, you know what he said? He said that when Tricky came to our clinic, it was good time for us also, because we also started taking 2 eggs every day into breakfast, a bottle of wine and after the dinner. Fine. So that means that whatever she was sending, doctor and his team, they all were enjoying that food. And that is why they said that we wanted to keep Tricky with us for long. But it was not so easy, because you have already must have noticed the love and affection of Mrs. Pemfrey for Tricky. So he says that for around 2 weeks, Tricky was into the observation of Mr. Harriot. On the other hand, Mr. Harriot was also working hard with him. He used to send him into the park along with other dogs. He was feeding him along with and in the same manner as other dogs were. That means, and he was making him to do some extra activities, some exercises, and giving him lot of water. And this how, into these 2 weeks, there was a tremendous change into Tricky's health. How was the change? Change was that now Tricky has become little stronger. His muscles has developed. That fattiness was changing and was shaping into good health now. That was a good sign for Tricky. Tricky has started feeling that how is the feeling of being hungry, because he never felt it. He was never been given the chance. Now he could realize hunger, he could feel it, he was eating accordingly, and this was helping him a lot. So now Tricky was benefiting all this. After this, one day when Mr. Harriot gave a call to Mrs. Pemfrey, and he said that Mrs. Pemfrey, now Tricky is fine and Tricky is into such a position that now you can take him back to the home. You won't believe that just within half an hour, as if she was sitting and waiting, just within half an hour, a black, 30 feet long beautiful car arrived in front of the Harriot's clinic. And inside was sitting Mrs. Pemfrey with the luxury. Luxury of what? When the car is 30 feet long, a metal beauty, inside sitting the mistress was moreover enhancing, moreover speaking, moreover describing her royalty, her richness. We need not to find it out that how royal she was, how was she rich, how could we describe that she was a rich lady? The way she was sitting into 30 feet long metal beauty, the kind of outfit she was wearing, the way she has kept and maintained herself, all was speaking about her richness. She was ready to come out of the car. Before she could come out, Mr. Harriot was stunned to see the beauty of the car. And he said, that madam, you need not to come out of the car. You please be inside. I'll get the dog out. You know why? Because if she would go inside and will bring the dog, he would definitely be revealing that he was keeping the dog like a very normal dog. He has not given him that special bed of him. He has not given him his toys. He has not kept him in the same manner as he was pampering. He's been pampered by Mrs. Pemfrey. So he went inside and Tricky was there along with the other dogs into the park. That golden beauty, and he simply brought him to Mrs. Pemfrey. The moment the dog had seen Mrs. Pemfrey sitting into the car, he rushed and straight away went to the lap of Mrs. Pemfrey like a small child. He settled into the lap of Mrs. Pemfrey, showing a gesture, and Mrs. Pemfrey also was so attached and she petted him like her own child. This shows the affection between Mrs. Pemfrey and Tricky. And after that, Mrs. Pemfrey was very much amused to see a change into Tricky. She was so happy that while leaving from there, she said to Mr. Harriot that, Mr. Harriot, thank you. It was a trump of surgery. I hope that now the name of the chapter is quite clear to you with the meaning of it. A trump of surgery means a success of surgery, a success of your clinic, success of your treatment, that my pet has completely changed. He has become healthy and now he is perfectly fine. She was very thankful to the doctor, and even the doctor was happy, enjoying the pleasure of eating good meal for 2 weeks, and of course doing his performance and making his duty as a doctor also. So this how Tricky was once more healthier, happier, back to Mrs. Pemfrey in his own house, right? And along with Tricky, everything was also sent back. What everything? His toys, his bowls, his coats, his beds, everything was sent back. And then Mr. Harriot, somehow in her side of his heart, quietly said that, oh, it was never used by me. And this way, Tricky went back happily to Mrs. Pemfrey, and Harriot was happy doing this treatment. I hope now, children, the chapter is quite clear to you, and I think this will going to really help you out. Thank you, children.